Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a CTF challenge from picoCTF 2024. The challenge is called Blame Game. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The area of the challenge is general skills. The task is to find a flag by using Git. You'll find a link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are at the picoCTF homepage, and here we have the challenge. So let's read through the description. Someone's commits seems to be preventing the program from working. Who is it? You can download the challenge files here. Let's copy the link and let's head over to the terminal. Let's use wget to download the zip file and let's unzip. Everything ends up in the drop-in folder. Let's see what we have here. We have a Python file, so let's have a look. Hello world, but it's broken. It's missing the ending parenthesis. Okay, let's have a look at the Git log. And there's quite a lot of commits here. Okay. Let's instead do git blame then. Since the name of this challenge is blame game, I'm guessing we have to use the blame command. The name of the Python script. And here we have found the flag. picoCTF asked the intern. So let's copy that. Hooray, we solved the challenge. And if you want to learn more about the git blame command, this is a good place to start. You'll find the link to this page in the video description as well. But basically git blame shows the revision and author that last modified line in a file. And now I just used it without any flags. But that got us the flag in this case. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.